Hey guys, how you doing? This is Juan with Liberty Graphic Designs. Today, we're gonna be putting neck tags on these baseball jerseys using our INSTA. I believe the model number is 907, so don't go anywhere. Okay, so I used to put my neck tags using a hat press, and then we bought this baby right here. Really nice press. The price is also very, very nice. Let me show you. This one right here. So yes, it's 4,500 bucks. But this machine is pretty cool. Semi-automatic, air driven. So all I gotta do is just literally just put the shirt underneath, put my neck tags, and voila. I print my neck tags like this. It's got my my brand logo, which is Make It Happen Apparel, and all the information there, 100% polyester, how to wash it, you know, all that good stuff. This is sublimation transfer, so that's what we're gonna be doing. We're gonna be sublimating at 375, and that's gonna be for 8 seconds. So let me set this up. Very simple, very easy, and you'll see it in action right now. So I'm gonna apologize in advance because I know my hands are gonna be in the way, but I want to show you the time. It's 11:28, and you'll see how long it's gonna take me to press. Honestly, I don't know how many shirts there is. It's about 50 something. But this is how easy it is. So we just take in this case, the jersey. Now this flannels right here, they're 6x6. I need to order the one that is only a 2x2, which makes it, it'll make it a lot easier for me because, you know, I don't have to use this big old square. And then what we do, just put the transfer right there, just like that. And then we'll do the next one. So if you guys wondering how I know what size it is, I actually put my sizes, and I will show you on this sleeve. Hopefully you can see it. See, extra large. So that's how I know what size the jersey is. Like for example, this one's a large. Then we'll just grab the large, set it right there, move this over. And this transfers, we can use them up to 3 times, so I don't throw them away right away. And there it is. There's the tag. That's how it looks. It's like that. And like for example, what I was saying, we can reuse the tag. This one is also an extra large. I'll show you right here, right there, extra large. So I grabbed the same one that I used earlier, and we can reuse that one. Okay, so let me press this real quick, and then I'll show you the time to see how long it took me. There's a customer that's gonna come and pick up some shirts, so I might have to stop, and that might take me a little longer. And that's it. Let's see how long it took us. So 11:44, what was it, 11:28? So it took us 24 minutes to do, let's count them real quick. I don't know how many they are, but let's count them real quick. So I don't know how many they are, but let's count them real quick. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46. That's not bad. 46 jerseys in 24 minutes. It's not bad at all. It's really good. Is it 24? I don't know. 20 some whatever, 20, 24 minutes, probably less. So I think we started at 11:28 and then we ended up at 11:44. I think it's like 18 minutes. I don't know, whatever. Can't even count right now. But yeah, that little machine is very, very fast, as you guys can see it. I mean, I'm only pressing for 8 seconds. And I mean, I think it looks pretty good. It looks really, really good. Let's show you one of these ones right here. And then it shows really, really good. But it's pretty good. So this is it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. It was a pleasure, like always. It's always a pleasure making these videos for you guys. Again, if you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments below. There's still a lot to for this jerseys. Like, I still gotta put the buttons. You'll probably see a video about that. And then we gotta do the hemming on the bottom and the hemming on the sleeves. And then after that, it'll be done. And we can get paid. Thank you, guys. If you haven't subscribed, please do so and hit that bell so you get notified when I upload new videos. Thank you. If you want to see a specific video, let me know in the comments below and I will be more than happy to make it if I can make a video. Thank you, guys. I will see you in the next one. Bye bye. God bless you. And I'll see you in the next one. Adios.